Chucks and rolls is a critical part for our can seamer product line.
It starts with our raw material. We actually machine the whole thing from a blank. We go through and we'll rough all of our chucks and rolls out. Polishing, where we'll hold a micro finish of 4 to 8 micro finish. Then it'll go to our outside process where we will have it coated.
Because it is producing the final seam, we do checks from beginning to end. It is a tightly controlled process in our manufacturing facility here.
Each person is specialized in what he's doing. All the people out on the floor, they take a lot of pride in what they do too. There's a reason why our quality stands out above the rest.